Hello everyone! This is Paukshte Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. Today I want to show you a review of a finished item. You know that I love shirt dresses. There are a lot of different types of shirt dresses. You can't even imagine. Every time we make a shirt dress in my fashion house, I can't resist showing it to you. You can make shirt dresses with short sleeves, long sleeves, three-quarter sleeves. The most important feature of a shirt dress is a men's style collar. Armholes in shirt dresses should be pretty wide and loose. This dress is very beautiful. It's made of striped silk. The fabric is of a very high quality and it's very beautiful. The tailors of my fashion house did an amazing work sewing this dress. The placket on the center front is made of the same fabric. It was turned to the wrong side and then stitched. There are button holes in the center of the placket. When making shirt dresses, use the most simple buttons. Don't attach pearls or crystals or something like that. Buttons are also a very important feature of the shirt style, so they should be small and simple. The men's style collar looks amazing together with the placket. There are patch pockets on the front. They are decorated with flaps. Have a look at the waistband. There is a stripe of fabric attached to the wrong side. Due to the fact that we made this waistband, we didn't make any waist tucks. Have a look at the back. Very beautiful. I've already told you a lot of times that inseam pockets are very popular nowadays. They were always in trend, but not as much as now. I even saw an evening dress with inseam pockets. This dress is very light and elegant. One more feature of a shirt style is a men's style yoke. Notice that the shoulder seams were moved to the front. Such yokes make the dress look very beautiful from the front. Have a close look at the seams. The cuffs are buttoned. There are so many different types of shirt dresses nowadays. Asymmetric, flared, with belts, waistbands, with or without pockets, short, long, of lace, of cotton, and so on. Anyway, there are some features which should be in every shirt dress: men's style collars and yokes, wide armholes, and straight lines. These are the details you should make when sewing a shirt dress. If you, for example, don't make a collar, it won't be a shirt dress. It will be just a summer dress. I love shirt dresses. I have several ones. All of them are long. I love them because they are very comfortable and at the same time very stylish and beautiful. Girls, don't be lazy. Make shirt dresses. Watch the videos on how to adjust a basic pattern into the one for shirt style. If you don't have a basic pattern, you can make a shirt dress on the basis of the pattern for dresses with dolman sleeves. I've already showed you how to make such dresses. Such dresses are modern and stylish. You can wear a shirt dress both to work and for a special occasion. Shirt dresses are very convenient. I recommend everyone making shirt dresses for the summer. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukshte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos, press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.